teachers.
Good morning.
Yes, this is my plan in 5 years, 5 years from now. So, so my initial plan is to liberate our ancestors, our vertical. So this is on May 2024. This is April. This is in no particular order, but this is one of the 5 major plans within 5 years. Of course, second gen, our goal is 3. That's one of the plan, right? And then ancestors' blessing, of course. It can be within, it can interchange, but the goal is after liberation, we bless our ancestors so that we can qualify for being a Chunbo Challenger after meeting vertical requirement.
Wow.
And this is for the career, professional one. I want to be a master trainer. Yeah, master trainer is like that one.
Training people.
Like that one. So this one comes with lots of certification and assessment. So I want to be able to focus on developing my facilitation skills and in the corporate world by proactively applying for L&D post, learning and development, by learning from project management skills real time at hand. So normally in company, trainer is like just a trainer, like a teacher. But master trainer trains every trainer. So I trains every teacher, like that. So before, this is my goal, but at the same time, I have my personal plan as well. Like say, for example, receive the matching, receive the blessing. So before I focus on this one, I need to focus on that one as well. So it's like one step at a time. So this is my goal. And for me to be able to reach this one, I need to be in a company where they give me certification. So that one. So and also the 5th one is developing training system for Heavenly Tribal Messiah. So I believe that when it comes to like blessing 430 couple, it's not only like giving them blessing, but also taking over or taking care of their welfare. So since our ultimate goal, aside from multiplying our lineage through 2nd generation, is to bless 430 couples to receive true parents, I want to be able to design training systems, not only for youth, but also for livelihood projects supporting Heavenly Tribal Messiah's welfare. So in our town, my father and my mother have these projects, like water system projects and like cooperative projects. So this helps the community. So I got an idea from that project. So if my parents are already handling these people, I can support this like business, livelihood programs for the parents, and also I can support livelihood programs for the children, like training young people for their, like say for example for English assessment, like that, or probably for call center, for call center jobs, because it's easier, and many people like 18, 17 years old, they've already worked. So in the Philippines, that can be taken advantage in witnessing as well. So that's my plan. So that's within 5 years. And yeah, this is planned, but this is not a promise. This is like a step-by-step goal. So yeah. So we're on our first journey, Ancestors Liberation, this year. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Good. Very clear, right, man?